Forget robot arms and warehouse bots. This time, AI is coming for the people in suits. And some of the world's top CEOs are warning, millions of white-collar jobs are about to vanish. This is Uprising AI, and today we're breaking down why artificial intelligence could trigger the biggest white-collar layoff wave in history.
Ford CEO Jim Farley just said AI could replace half of all white-collar jobs. That's not a sci-fi headline. That's a CEO of a 120-year-old car company sending up a flare. And he's not alone. Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei predicts that within just 5 years, AI could wipe out 50% of entry-level white-collar roles, sending U.S. unemployment as high as 20%. We're not talking about the future, we're talking about right now. Jobs most at risk? Entry-level analysts, admin assistants, legal researchers, customer support agents, even junior marketers and coders. Basically anything that involves repetitive tasks, spreadsheets, or templated writing is fair game for LLMs and task agents. We're seeing the rise of prompt-based workflows that replace entire departments with one trained AI operator. This isn't just theory. Amazon, JP Morgan, IBM, Shopify, and Microsoft are already reorganizing teams to shrink their white-collar headcounts. These aren't mass layoffs with severance packages. It's slow, quiet elimination through automation and attrition. The numbers are real. Public companies have cut about 3.5% of white-collar roles over the last 3 years, and AI acceleration is only making that line steeper. It's not all doom and gloom. Economists argue that AI is also creating new roles in prompt engineering, AI oversight, compliance, and human-AI collaboration. These jobs demand creative, strategic, ethical, and leadership skills, the kind AI still can't touch. But here's the catch. Those jobs are fewer, more competitive, and require reskilling fast. The white-collar world thought it was safe from automation. AI just proved otherwise. The future of work isn't about replacing blue-collar jobs with machines. It's about rethinking how we value knowledge work itself. So, are you safe from the AI wave or already in its path? Let us know in the comments. Hit like, subscribe to Uprising AI, and share this video with someone who needs to upskill before it's too late.